sunroom kasi. So, we are waiting for my family, my daughters, my son-in-law, my granddaughter. So this is the biggest present ever I have here behind me. So ganyan ka tangkad pareho sa akin. It's so like me. And then this is my gift for my husband. So ayan, so I'm ready. I'm excited to open our present. For you guys, you got all your Christmas present as you wanted this Christmas. So magkita-kita ulit tayo ngayong year na tong 2023. Hi! Are you ready for Coco? It's Santa Claus come. Eleanor. Okay, ready? Whoa, yeah. Oh, careful. What is it called? That thing came out. Western, stop. Hey. What you have? Shit. Western, stop. Wow. What is that? Yeah, you can call your mother and your dad. What do you think? Western? Yay! Is that from Jack? Remember that possibly? She said, I don't like clothes. Is that thing on my head? Oh yeah, I mean, it's happy. She's carrying. What is that? Remember that? Mom picked that one for you.
Look at the snowflakes. Daddy should like this one. Yeah.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
Me and Papa picked that out.
That's so pretty. Look at that. That looks like the one you have on now.
Wow.
That's beautiful. We love the gold in it.
That's good for New Year's. Yeah. New Year's party.
So pretty.
She said, I don't want that one. I don't how about the map, she said. Your mommy he picked that Barbie girl. That ballerina.
Beautiful. She's so pretty.
Yeah, if your mommy play with that, he mess up the hair.
I hope not because it's beautiful. Pretty. Yeah, we like this one.
Yeah,
Pretty ballerina. Get the bow?
no. Oh, she had a nice blonde hair. Wow.
Her hair's strapped down.
She's strapped down.
Her hair is strapped down. Now you can pull her hair. That's mommy.
Oh.
You ready? Can I help you open? You hold on to your ballerina.
Mommy opened. Your house is gonna be full of toys. Yeah. Did you see the eye? And it's wider in the back, right? The eye is outside. Oh my goodness! You finally get the horses. What is that? Are you ready for this?
More.
This way you're done opening yours.
Pull it?
What?
Wow.
Oh, look, I remember this now. I just can't remember what is that.
Oh, you couldn't remember?
No.
Oh. Yeah, it's the,
I was thinking about
you
that.
bought this one and the yak earlier.
Yeah,
Yeah, you gotta get them before we can't get them.
Yeah.
yeah. They can't find it in
And
Walmart
before
anymore.
before they go away. Look,
So-
there's a crab sand table. It's got a gigantic head. Ah, baby.
You-
Comes here too.
Look it.
King's Hawaiian roll.
I didn't even know that then. She wrapped that.
Exactly what I
You
wanted.
try it?
Nah, I wrapped it the other day.
Oh my goodness. I didn't even know. I got.
Put it all over it so you can play with it too.
I hope you eat that kind of chocolate, Tim.
No, I do.
Did
Oh,
I?
yeah, he likes dark chocolate.
Make
Oh,
sure
yeah,
I
no.
put those cards inside those your stocking, Tim. Go look at it, because I hope I didn't put it in a.
One?
Yeah. Okay, you got it.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Oh, that's a good one.
Oh,
He'll lose it.
She loves it. The card is for both of you.
Does anyone want a King's Hawaiian roll?
Guys, I thought that was
Ooh, I like the color.
Your wonderful daughter and very special son. Thank you.
Ooh, wow, thank you.
You like the color?
I do, I like this color.
Want to be
Yeah.
married into it and then together you make it more fun.
It popped right back in the start.
Thank you very much.
You're
Thank you.
welcome. What is That's where we went to Dex looking for stuff for Henry.
What was that?
We went to Scranton for that. Let me see that lace. I didn't open that thing. I'm excited to see what kind of boots.
They look like Eleanor's boots.
Oh. Yeah.
Oh, these are intense.
Well, Pop, take that out. We don't know what to.
I'll wear it. Thank you.
You're welcome. For ice fishing, hey?
Yeah.
Got my golf
Wow,
boots.
that's cute, Knock.
I know.
That's heavy.
I know. They're platform boots.
Oh.
I can't wait to wear them.
Yeah.
Me and Eleanor are gonna match in our boots.
My mommy got boots like you got.
What's he
Yes,
have?
she does.
I'm just like Lula. I see boots that you have,
I
or
know.
shoes or something that you have, and then I copy you. Lula did that to me all the time.
Yeah.
So now I'm gonna do it to you. Yeah.
Oh, boy.
These are heavy.
I like that because it's high heel. And when I'm short, maybe I'll start wearing that, but I don't know if I look right or not.
There's other kind of shoes. You don't have to get these.
I hope you like
beside
that, Tim.
Yeah, that's nice. Thank you.
Whoa! Oh my goodness, you got it! Just press the lock.
Well, you know, anything you ask, Pop will that. Is that heavy? Oh, really? Oh, what is that for?
You can do a regular spot.
Oh, that's nice. Oh, that's deep. That's nice. You're welcome. we don't know what to get, so we're asking your wife what you want. You know what it is already when you open the box. Oh.
So you better like cornhole for a little while longer.
Is that heavy?
Thank you.
Wow,
Makes it easier for him because he can sit on
I
it
know.
when he's at his tournaments and stuff instead of.
Oh, wow, that's fancy.
But he can put his bags in there and then sit on it.
Yeah. Well, at least I know what you like, so.
Well, that's not nice.
No, yeah, the suitcase goes in.
Oh.
Or not suitcase, the bags go in.
The wrapper or not?
That's a cloth, yeah. Yeah, it's another cloth. One for upstairs, one for down. Like boys activity. Here, no, this one.
This is from my kid.
Start opening your package.
Hola! See that?
Whoa! Oh my gosh!
Hey, open up your present again.
What is this?
You gotta open it. No, it's not a cell phone.
Oh! It's a phone camera.
Check it out, I'm opening it.
You can't just escape
Oh,
yourself.
nice. The blue one. I have a phone cover, guys. My kid. Justin and Alicia.
I think it's the screen.
Yeah, it's the screen.
Don't lose all the pieces for those rings for the camera.
Thank you. Thank you. Abo. My first Yeshaya book. I can read it for my granddaughter.
Right.
When my granddaughter pay attention on that kind of word. Ooh, I need one of these.
I hope you like them. I like them.
I was asking Papa, I need a slipper.
It was a slipper.
I'm glad I got something warmer. Without you having to ask.
I just got
I think those are so cute.
Yeah, I like the tight
Yeah.
things though, too.
Well, that too, and you can wear them outside and you won't get ruined. If you need to like go get the mail or something.
Nice, thank you, baby.
Yeah, I like those a lot.
Yeah. I have a big box for my kids. What do you have, Bob?
Not done.
Open all your presents.
Me? No, you still have some.
Like this.
I just want him to open the ones from you, and then I'll give him the ones from me. I want to see an actual surprise.
Wow.
some pot.
That's not.
Oh,
Wow, this actually dresses for me.
I thought that was the editing. I seen the box.
It might be a little big, but at least you can layer underneath it. Yeah. It's cute,
Well,
isn't it?
I'm glad I didn't buy a jacket because we were looking at jackets too. But you-
Yeah, I said, no, I don't want any jacket. I think I was thinking about wow, and you know, look at. I'm ready to pick you up.
Oh my god, I didn't buy it.
I told Mom to not let you get
I wanted to, but I just couldn't spend the money. Thank you so much. It's the
it.
bib for ice machine.
Oh, I want to see it. I don't know what to do. See it? Is that a jumper thing?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh.
It's like the thing that makes
That's
it
going
so
to
that
have a really
you
good
won't
sale on
drown.
this too.
They had a sale up at
Oh,
Up
my
at,
God.
the tackle shop too.
That's
So
what I
that'll
Did
make
it?
it, because it
They're like
floats.
$275.
So if you were to fall through the ice,
Yeah, I wanted to
you
go up, but the
wouldn't
weather
go all
was
the way
like,
down, he would float. Like what Tim has, remember?
Yeah.
I like the color.
Yeah, I
There
like
you
it better than
go.
black.
You know what? He was looking at it. He was gonna get it, and I said, I
I'm
don't
glad.
know.
I told you not to let him get that.
I said, what?
I just didn't wanna spend the money on myself,
Yeah.
but I wanted them. Thank you so much. I absolutely wanted these.
Ooh, that's that. This one made. Wow, Eleanor.
Thanks the ball.
Wow. This is neat.
That's the nicest present yet.
I have. Oh, this is not hanging. Oh, no.
No.
Hey.
No,
You
I
could.
didn't have time for that.
Let's
No.
not forget the King's Hawaiian rolls.
But you can hang that.
Yeah, I can hang it. We have like.
Yeah.
Sam knew what he was doing.
I don't know if the name, there's no name tag on it.
That's your
That's yours. You know it's yours. Okay, Mom. Here.
That's good. I don't know.
Yeah, Yeah, you won't know. Neither of you will know what any of you are.
Oi.
You broke it.
Oh, cool. It's a good scraper for the grill.
It's a cleaner and a scraper.
Yeah.
But it's a really good cleaner. It's from like a fireman, but it like cleans it with such ease.
I could use that for
Yeah.
sure.
I don't know if it'll have a picture inside. Just open it and then I'll show you a picture on my phone if it doesn't. No. Is there a picture? Yeah, we're not done. Ah! That's from Pop. No, not from me and Pop, it's from Pop.
I told you I got this fine to get low.
Wow, what's this?
That's like the thing I have in my kitchen. So you'll be able to call me and be able to cook.
And those other things that we said it was great to you, they work with that.
Upstairs.
These work with that. You can put these upstairs.
Huh.
These work upstairs, and then I can call you from my phone and say, get your ass out of bed, and it'll come through there. Or if you want to say, Alexa, turn the lights on downstairs, I can buy the bathroom, you can turn it on.
Or you can say, Pop, get the hell out of bed, because that's what it's like.
Oh yeah, that's
Or you
right.
can say, pop it.
You don't think that you have a play. Look at.